Hello, children. A very important topic of A levels is to be discussed in this video. Okay, so it is that you have to listen this very carefully because we are going to discuss about the business efficiencies. There are two types of efficiencies which every business has to confront. And it is that if they need the resources that are scarce to be efficiently utilized, they have to be efficient in these two types of efficiencies which are for the short term. The first one is the productive efficiency. Productive efficiency means that the producer has to be that much efficient that he uses his resources, whatever are available to him, at the lowest cost. ठीक है, क्योंकि अगर वो लोवेस्ट कॉस्ट पे अपने रिसोर्सेज को एफिशिएंटली यूज करेगा तो डेफिनेटली अब क्या होगा, उसका प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमम हो जाएगा. अगर उसकी कॉस्ट लोअर नहीं है, डेफिनेटली फिर वो प्राइसेस भी हाई चार्ज करेगा. और हाई प्राइसेस का एक डिसएडवांटेज क्या होगा, उसके कंपेटिटर्स का लो कॉस्ट होगी क्योंकि वो प्रोडक्टिवली एफिशिएंट होंगे. एज द कंपेटिटर्स आर प्रोडक्टिवली एफिशिएंट, उनकी लो कॉस्ट है तो उनका प्रॉफिट मार्जिन ज्यादा हो जाएगा और अल्टीमेटली this producer will have to leave the business. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the productive efficiency. The other type of efficiency as well, I would like to tell you, but there would be another video for that, which is allocative efficiency. But over here, let's discuss the productive efficiency. In the beginning of the AS level chapters, you would be remembering that we have made or discussed the production possibility curves. You can see children के AS और A levels का syllabus कितना मिलता है कि AS को further extension A levels के topics में है. So this is going to be the consumer goods, and along the y-axis I am going to label the capital goods क्योंकि I told you before as well, if you have seen my video of the production possibility curve, that every economy either produces consumer goods or the capital goods. So now it is that if this is your production possibility curve, ठीक है, we have discussed it कि ये हमेशा concave होगा. This is the point, you can label it as A, and this is another point B, which is in the production possibility curve. This is inside the production possibility curve and this is on the production possibility curve. So now children, reviving your all concepts of production possibility curve, what do you think so कि ये business efficient कहाँ हो सकता है, where it can produce or be productively efficient? Any clues for it? The business will be productively efficient at this point A. Why? Because when we discuss this production possibility curve concept, we have said that it is the combination of the goods that are being produced in an economy where the resources are being fully utilized. Means कि कोई wastage of resources नहीं हो रहे. So at this point A, it means that the maximum utilization of the resources is being taken place where the economy is producing the capital goods and the consumer goods. So means that here they are productively efficient. At the point B, the company or the producer still has a margin that he can invest into more resources. He has some more extra resources available because he is operating inside the production possibility curve. With the use of the resources, he can move to the production possibility curve. Means that he is inefficient at the point B And to reach the point A or the production possibility curve, he would be productively efficient at that time. This is also known as Pareto optimization, that the resources are optimally utilized or efficiently allocated when they are at the production possibility curve. If they are inside, means that there is Pareto inefficiency. They are going to be efficient when they are at the production possibility curve, but according to Pareto optimality, the condition is that in order to reach from B to this production possibility curve, one is to be better off, the other is to be worse off. Why? You can see over here that what is happening over here. ये inefficient है ना? So means that both the consumer and the capital goods would be increased. So means there is nothing worse off, no better off. Both of them are getting better off. But you cannot produce ahead of this production possibility curve. हम इससे आगे नहीं जा सकते until unless we improve our productive efficiency, कि हम अपने resources ज़्यादा use कर रहे हैं. So on this production possibility curve, हमें अपने capital goods reduce करने पड़ेंगे if we need more of the consumer goods or the vice versa. A very common example in our economy जो हमने बहुत recent years में देखी थी वो Orange Line train की थी. That because of the construction of the Orange Line train, उसके ट्रैक पे जितने भी houses आते थे, they were all demolished. The people were given some compensation by the government, but it was not sufficient कि उससे वो अपना एक नया घर बना सकते. So means that who was better off? The management of the Orange Line and the consumers of the Orange Line. And who was worse off in this situation? The people whose houses were demolished. So this is a very, you can say, applicable example of Pareto optimality in your economy. Okay, children, goodbye.